Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you the common error, the word accurate. So you can see, so this video is about the grammatical mistake, but actually this is the common error, the word accurate. So I'm giving here the first examples. I cannot give you the accurate date of my arrival yet. I can't give you the accurate date. So you can see I use the word accurate date of my arrival yet. So this is common error. The word accurate means correct. So don't use the accurate date. So when you should use the accurate? Accurate is mainly used to describe something said or written that contain no error. Accurate meanings to describe something said or written contains no error, which contain no error. Contains no error to describe something or say something. Describe something or said something or written something. So accurate meaning content no, but this is the correct. So answer is I cannot give you the exact date of my arrival yet. Here you can see that I use the exact. This is the right exact date. And what is the meaning of the exact? So exact. When you would use the word exact when you mean correct as detailed as possible. In that time you should use the word exact. When you mean the correct and detailed as possible, then you should use the word exact. This is the exact and this is the correct. So accurate is the example is the word accurate to describe something said or written that contain no error. As an example, her novels are always historically accurate. Her novels are always historically accurate. This figure can't be accurate surely. So to describe something that produce no error. It produce no error. It is no error. So exact time, exact date. So don't use exact time. Or what is the accurate time? Accurate time meaning that this time produce no error. So are you sure the bathroom scale are accurate? Bathroom scale is accurate because scaling is a measurement which has no error. Which contain no error. So you can say, are you sure this bedroom scales are accurate? So in other hand, when you means the correct as detail as possible, so use exact. So that exact time is 3 minutes to 7. The exact time, so you use the exact, so you can use the exact time. So they will be arrive the next week on Sunday at 3 to be exact. They will arrive next week on Sunday at 3 to be exact. This is this sentence mentioned is time. So exact time. So here I explained how to use accurate and how to use the word exact. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new common error. Bye bye.